Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi, everybody. I'm James Cebulski, along with Ray Ferraro. We are so looking forward to the action on this one tonight. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Belarus has it near the wall. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. Takes the feed at the back end. Right on the doorstep. Nice pass. Slovakia's got it into the offensive zone. Team Slovakia is playing it from the side. Chara's got it against the boards. They fight for it along the boards. And a heads-up kick pass over to his teammate. Thunderous use of the body of the hit. And another stop.
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here's a short pass to Chara. Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. Up along the wing. Takes the feed. Takes it across the blue line. They've got the defense outnumbered. Knocked away. Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it to the front of the net. Slides that one right across the blue line. Slides it diagonally to Sekera. Slides it over to Yurko. That goes wide. Belarus gains a hold of the puck against the boards. Receives the pass. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Puts it on net. Denied by the goaltender. And now he moves it to Yurko. Team Belarus has got possession here in the offensive zone. Manages to hang on.
That's close, James. The goaltender ends up beating the shooter to the post. As that looks like it's a goal, but it's shut down.
Gabrick swooping in on the attack. Right out front. Denied by the goaltender. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Through center along the wing. Here they are on the attack. Sends the pass over. Smart defensive play here in the open ice. Slides the puck over. Over the line they come. Throws it on goal. Oh, what a stop. Dano's got it along the wing. Snaps it on net. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Sends a pass over. Here they come on the attack. On the attack along the boards. Quick pass to Chernak. Move to the middle. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Reads it perfectly. Look out. Here's a chance. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Looks to set up at the point now. Handles the puck. Tees it up from the back end. Can't get it to go. From the top of the offensive zone here. Gets in front of it. Takes the pass. Oh, great read on the play. Gives it right back. There's the collision. Yurko's carrying it ahead. Takes the feed. Completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
Moves the puck. Slides it back to the blue line. Fires one on goal. Wide of the net. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Marincin. Marincin's got the puck along the blue line. Too much congestion blocks the shot. Carries it in. With possession along the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Nice pass. Takes the feed. Move to the middle. Lets the wrister fly. Stick save for the goalie.
Yurko's trying to send a message here in the first period of this game. There's no goals, but you want the other team to know that you're ready to play.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Carries it across the line. Slovakia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. Comes up with the stop. Thunderous hit.
Well, that's inevitable. He had his head down, got hit so hard he dropped his stick. Now he's got to go pick it up before he can join the play again.
That's why coaches say keep your head up, right?
That's one of the reasons.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Team Slovakia's got the puck. And he slides it quickly to Sekera. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Beautiful glove stop on that one.
Tatar's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. The glove making it look easy on the play. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. What a stop! Solid check to slow him down. Here's a chance to set up now. Moves it to Chernak. Receives the pass. And the gloves are off.
Yeah, after the teammate got hurt, he jumped right in. He's going to make him try and pay a price.
We got ourselves a fight here. Oh, and he caught him right there, and that'll pretty much do it.
Yeah, that's not going to go to the judges. You can't touch momentum, but you can feel it. And the home team's going to build a little bit, they believe, after a fight win.
Listen to this place. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Rocked him in the open ice. Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides it across. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Picks it off. They go back on the attack. Sends the pass over. And that one's stopped.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Scoops up the puck here. Takes it across the blue line. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes the feed at the point. Just misses.
He powders this shot from the point, except it's over 4 feet high. It goes racing over the top of the net.
Might make the goaltender a little nervous next time he unloads. Reads the pass perfectly and picks it off. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. From point-blank range. Makes the glove stop. Takes the feed moving in. With possession along the wall. Good use of the body on the play. Back on a stick now. Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. Over the line they come. Back at the point, they set it up. Shot right in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's on it. Good chance, but he's able to glove that shot.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Team Slovakia's got the puck along the wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Gets the puck back here in the neutral zone. Makes the save. Pinned up along the boards. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Time for the officials to hand out the judgment. Hooking's the call. This is what they kind of call the lazy penalty these days, right?
It is, but really the problem is you're beat and you panic and you're trying to help. And the more you help, the worse it gets. Go sit down.
And he certainly dug himself a hole there. Slovakia sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, hard work earns the first power play of the game for them, and now they've got to take advantage of it. They'll start with the face-off, of course, in the offensive zone.
55 seconds.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. That one's off the blocker. Gets it out of his own end. Team Slovakia's got a hold of it along the wall. Tatar's got it across the line. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot. Stopped by the goaltender.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Slovakia's got the puck along the boards. Here they come on the attack. Right to the middle. Here's an opportunity. Big time stop. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone and makes the save. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. That's a solid check on the play. Lets the wrister go. Turns it away. Puts it towards the net. Oh, and another big stop.
Oh, he's on it there. Both saves are really good ones. Dano's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Yurko. And that's wide of the net. And now he moves it quickly to Dano. Penalty has expired. You got to give the shorthanded unit a lot of credit there.
Oh, man, what a good power play, but it doesn't change the big numbers up on the score clock. Couldn't score, but all kinds of chances.
Lets it go, and he comes up with it. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Getting a little too physical to maintain possession. Carries it in. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. And the defenders come up with the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides the puck down low. And sends it just out of reach. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Quick feed to Yaros. Slides the puck over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Big time stop there. And he serves it across to Yaros. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Belarus moves ahead with the puck. Clock ticking down here inside the first period. Puck lands right back onto the blade. Centered out in front. Lets it fly. And there's the save. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Directed over to Marincin. Marincin got the puck in his own zone. And he slides it quickly to Tatar. Tatar's got the puck. Here's a pass down low. Shot, and he makes the save. There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside. That concludes the first period. Really, both teams still filling each other out here as we are still scoreless.
If you are the holder of the winning ticket, please take it to our customer service kiosk in section 144 on the concourse before the end of tonight's game.
As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2. Clean sheet of ice, period 2 is set to go. Still no goals in this one. We'll see if that changes here as period number 2 is underway. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
Slovakia's coaches keep patting them on the back when they come back to the bench, telling them what a good job they're doing. They know they've had the puck a lot. They're waiting for the breakthrough.
Along the half wall with the puck. With authority. Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. Slides the puck across to Chara. Great read, comes up with it. Team Slovakia's got the puck in their own end. And now he angles it across to Tatar. Moves it around along the half wall. Here's a chance right out in front. And that's picked off in front. Carries it across the line. Centered out in front. Misses on the redirect.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Here's a shot. Oh, major league block on the play. Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. Now he takes it over the line. Here's a short pass to Chernak. Now a quick pass to Yaros. Here's a chance. Too much traffic in the lane. Quick pass to Gaborik. Grabs the puck here at the blue line. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. And nothing doing with the goaltender there.
That's really good strength by the goaltender as they quickly get over to the side of the net, right tucked up against the post to make the save.
Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. Yaros looks around. The one-time rocket just wide.
You can go games without a chance from here.
Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Rocked on the play. Tries to get the puck to Yaros. Moves it to Dano. Lays into the body. Moves with the puck at the corner. Oh, wide of the net. Belarus looks to break out in their own end. And that's intercepted. On the attack along the boards. Unloads a shot. Nowhere for that shot to go through. From the left side, it moves to the middle of the ice. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Handles the puck at the point. Comes up with the stop. From the back of the cage with the puck. Knocked away. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Sends a pass over. Nothing doing.
You don't get the puck dead center very often. He's got to capitalize.
You wonder if that'll come back to haunt them. With possession along the wall. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat. Stopped by the goaltender. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Heads to the back of the net. Handles the puck. Holds the puck at the line. Hammers a shot. Denies him with the save.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Takes that pass back at the point. Team Slovakia's got control of it now from their own end. Here he is, gaining steam. Oh, what a stop on the breakaway.
Good speed to break ahead of the pack. He thinks he's got the goalie beat, but shut down. That's a great stop.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. My goodness, what a hit!
You don't see hits like that anymore. The game goes so fast, but the defender got into great position and delivered a devastating hit.
Here's a chance. From one end of the blue line to the other. Off a stick. Takes the pass. Great positioning by the defender. Moves it quickly over to Yaros. Takes the feed. Over the line they come. On the doorstep with the stop. And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Yurko's got it in the offensive end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Stones him in front. Icing's the call. You know the coaching staff's not going to love that one.
Well, I can think of about 3 plays he could have made other than that one, but hey, that's the way it goes. Now you need your centerman to win a draw.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that one's turned away. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Up along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. Moves the puck. Oh, smart heads up play to poke that one away. Team Belarus has got it now. Quick snap! And the goaltender makes an easy glove save. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Dano's got it into offensive territory. Takes a shot. What an opportunity. Puts it high.
Looking to pop the water bottle off the top of the net. He shoots it too much over the top.
Through center along the wing. Takes a shot. Oh, he comes up with a stop as he got the glove on it. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Angles it over to Dano. Here they come on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. And now it's over to Sekera. Makes it look easy with a glove. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Chara. Nice save off the tender's pad. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. On the backhand, stopped by the goaltender. Quick feed to Tatar. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Too many bodies in the way. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Carries it in. Centering pass! Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. And makes the save.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Blown opportunity. Oh, he put it wide.
You don't get many of these a night, and when it's your turn, you got to be ready to get it on the net. He misses here. Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About two things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves it around along the half wall. Nice pass. On the attack along the boards. Here's a short pass to Chernak. Chernak's got it in the defensive end. Carries it across the line. Here's a chance out front. Gets a hold of the puck here in his own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Into the corner of the attacking area. Battle along the boards. Moves the puck down low. Handles it along the blue line. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Puck sent across the blue line. Slides the puck down low.
Oh, I like this, James. They've really cycled the puck well on this shift. Now they can hold it, and you put the pressure on the defenders. Eventually, they pull you down, or you get a great chance.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. With possession along the wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Back to the blue line. Nice feed from the boards. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Sends the pass over. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Centering pass. Slides the puck over. Misses a golden opportunity there.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
Sends a pass over. Moves the puck along the half wall. Quick pass to Gaborik. Takes a blast, and the long-range shot goes off target. Handles the puck, and a stick in the lane ends that threat. Slovakia is going to play the puck from behind the cage. Gabrick swooping in on the attack. Moves it to Marinson. And now he tries to get it across to Yurko. Takes the pass. Drives it to the front of the net. With the stop. Belarus has it in the defensive end. Long pass up ahead to center. Along the half wall with the puck. And that shot gets caught in traffic. They've got numbers. Puts it on net. Denied by the goaltender. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Takes it across the blue line. Back to the point it goes. Takes the feed. Centered out in front. The backhand. Oh, a clutch save. Moves the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Blocked in front. And the puck leaves the zone. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line.
He had to be on top of his game to make that stop. That's a great scoring chance, and he turns it aside.
Puck is dropped and play resumes. Picks up the puck in his own end. There's the end of period number 2. Still zeros on the board after 40 minutes.
Willemins Recycling is a proud sponsor of tonight's game. Willemins Recycling recycles enough paper to save more than...
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third.
their services. Check out the website.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. Puck is dropped. We are underway here in a very tight game here in the third. From the slot. Fantastic save. Moves right to the middle. Knocked away. Over the line they come. Pass back to the point. With the blast. Just wide.
Now, tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Team Slovakia's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's a chance. Glove save, and the play continues. Great glove save.
Nice work in there after the first stop. He's got to find the puck to save the second. That's a dangerous scoring chance, but the goaltender makes a great save as he's able to snuff it out.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. And he gains the zone here. Nice pass. On the attack along the boards. Lets it go. Oh, and comes up with nothing on the play. Here they come on the attack. Moves it quickly over to Yaros. Here's a shot. Shuts him down.
Like that save as he was able to deflect it to the corner.
Here's a chance right in the slot. Misses over the net.
Not going to get many better chances from that. Dead center, right in the slot.
Belarus has it near the wall. Good reach for the stick to knock the puck away. Gets a stick on it. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Carries it in. Slovakia's got it behind the net. And now he moves it to Dano. Picked off in the open ice. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Puts it up front. Wrists one. Oh, and a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Carries it across the line. With possession along the wall. And down he goes as the puck goes free. Sends the pass over. And that goes off a player. Stick save.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Puts it on goal. Denied by the goaltender. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Nice defensive robbery with the stick. Team Belarus has got the puck along the boards. Team Slovakia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Takes the pass and puts it anywhere but the way he wanted it to go. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. And some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. Handles the bank pass from along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. That knocks him off the puck. Feeds it over to Tatar. Tatar's got it along the boards. Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Takes the feed at the back end. Quick feed down low. Moves the puck along the half wall. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. And the puck skips out of the zone. They'll have to regroup. Gets it back. Along the half wall with the puck. Centering pass! Slovakia is looking to break out of their own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Snaps one here in the slot. Turns it aside with the glove.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Here he is in close. There's the double G of the game. The great glove save. While the centers are jammed, scores! Huge goal here late in the game.
Every play becomes so magnified when you get this late into a tie game. And scoreless, it always feels a little more tense. Oh, I thought he had this, James. He got a big chunk of it, but it just slowly trickled past him and into the net.
Team Slovakia's coaches look pretty active down there. Ray, what are you hearing?
Well, they don't want anybody to get complacent here. They've got the lead and they want to push forward. As quick as you get the lead, you can lose it right back.
On the attack along the boards.
Time of the goal, 8 minutes, 55
Looks to set up at the point now. Puts it wide.
Maybe trying to be a little too fine as he shoots it wide of the net.
Over the line they come. Takes the feed. That's blocked. Taken down, and the officials caught it. There's the stoppage of play. Let's see what the officials say. He's going off for tripping, Ray.
Reaching in for the puck, and he gets a stick caught in their feet.
Belarus sends their man advantage unit out for the first time this evening.
Well, this power play shows up at a rather opportune time. They're trailing by 1, and now a chance to level the score off. Aggression will be the key for them.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Strong use of the body. Slides it back to the blue line. Moves the puck. Great heads-up play by the defender. Gets it out of his own end. With possession along the wall. Belarus will play it from behind the net. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Nice pass. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And they can't convert on the play. Official blows the whistle. Let's see what the call is. Pretty cut and dry from up here, and the official saw it firsthand with hooking the call.
It's a penalty of being in bad position, and I think when you impede a player like this, they should call the hooking penalty every time.
And with that call, it's a 5-on-3 man advantage, but for not a lot of time.
I guess you can look at this as it's okay to be patient even if you don't score till after the 5-on-3's over. And man, even a short one like this. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
Takes the feed. Here they come on the attack. The goaltender is quickly off to his bench to get the extra attacker out. Takes the feed at the point. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Can't finish. Oh, Ray, and blown opportunity.
It really is. I mean, the play is sitting right there. There's a scoring chance to be had. They just don't execute it.
Moves the puck into the attacking area. Centered out in front. Here's a backhand. Denied a big scoring chance right there. Quick feed to Tatar. Move to the middle. He was right there, and they can't convert. And both sides will be shorthanded now as another penalty is coming up, effectively neutralizing that power play. And they're going to be shorthanded as slashing is the call on the play.
Yeah, this is a penalty of frustration, James. Things haven't been going his way. He reacts and gets called, now puts his team shorthanded.
And it's 4 against 4 here with the puck set to drop.
4-on-4 play usually starts pretty cautiously. It takes one missed pass or one missed shot, and all of a sudden there's man advantage breaks opening up all over.
Receives the pass. Big save. Great reflexes, another save. An opportunity for some power play time now as he steps back out onto the ice. Jostles the puck loose and manages to clear the zone. From their own end as they get a fresh set of legs here for this man advantage. Sends the pass over. Here's a shot. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker. A chance to get it out of the defensive zone. And that's a big clear at this stage of the game.
Yeah, they're all big now. That puck's near the blue line. It's got to get out.
Here's a shot. Denies him on the play. Up along the wing. Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. The man advantage expires, and a tip of the cap to the penalty killers who come up big. Turns it away on the slap shot.
That's a big swing and a miss right there for the power play. Critical moment of the game, and they're not able to cash in.
Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Carries it in. A chance from the slot. Gives them nothing in front. Through center along the wing.
Yurko's dangerous in the offensive zone. He's got it now, and he's already got the go-ahead goal.
From the slot, wrist shot comes up clutch with the pad save. Moves the puck along the half wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Lets it go. Oh, just wide of the net.
It doesn't matter how close it is. If it's not on the net, it can't go in.
Yurko's carrying it ahead. Slides the puck over. Quick shot, and the traffic neutralizes that threat. Takes the feed in the middle of the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With possession along the wall. Sends a pass over. Here's a blast. Misses wide. Picked up along the boards by Chernak. From the neutral zone, moving forward here along the boards. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Dano's got it across the line. Moved into the middle, and that's broken up. Moves the puck along the half wall. What a great read, breaking up the pass. Team Slovakia's got it in their own zone. Takes the feed at center from the right wing. Under a minute to go here in regulation time. Shoots it. Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. You've got a better chance to squeak one through the goaltender than if you miss it outside the net.
Belarus looks to move the puck from their own end. Along the half wall with the puck. Pins them against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Goaltender has made his way to the bench. The extra attacker's out. They need a goal here big time. Carries it across the line, and he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Takes the shot, and that caroms right off the mask.
Well,
Puts it off the post.
Belarus can't get any closer. A really good scoring chance ends when the puck hits the post.
Team Belarus has got a hold of it along the wall. And that'll do it tonight. Boy, confidence between the pipes tonight with that shutout, would you say?
It looked easy.
Yeah.
Even the most difficult shots for him, he handled with such confidence.
And that's all she wrote on this one for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. We'll see you next time here on EA Sports.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.